Hi everybody, it's Robin. I'm going to do a quick video about labels or keywords on blogs. These will help you navigate around. This is my blog, and you can see each of my posts. Like, here's the title, and then underneath, this is a short one, but I have the blue box, and it says labels, and then it says crafts for this one, and it's a clickable link you can see. Here is the Twitter how-to videos I did yesterday, and if you scroll to the end of it, there's my blue box again, and this one has a label of Twitter and video. So if you click on one, let's click on Twitter, it will bring up a new page, and it's going to have all of my posts that I've made that have the label of Twitter on them. So here's the same one that I made yesterday. They're in order. Here's one about parties on Twitter. You can see the keyword at the bottom there. Here's one about the @ symbol. Okay, so you can see them there. Also, on my blog, I have in my sidebar this little area called labels, and so you can see all the labels that I use on my blog, and you can click on any of them to see the category, what's in those categories. If you want to see my cats, click on cats, and it'll bring up all the posts that I've done about my cats or that had something to do with my cats. And if you scroll down to the bottom, it'll have it'll go, see more, because I have older posts, and you just click on that because some topics you have more of than others. So that's the way it is organized on mine. Again, not everybody's the same. This is my friend Tara at feelslikehomblog.com, and her keywords or labels are right here up at the top underneath her title. So this one is a label of home cooking, and if you scroll down to her next post, she has things to write home about, and that's a tag for her on that one, and she does this every Monday, or Sunday I mean, and so when you click on that, it's going to bring up all of her past things to write home about posts, so you can go through and see each week what she wrote about. It's really good post. So hers are right underneath the title. So like I said, everybody is different, but if you look around at blogs, you should see them on most of them. It'll be called labels or keywords or tags. Some of them have those little clouds with the words in there, but it'll help you navigate around. I hope that helps. Bye.